My name is Satpal, and in this course, I'm going to be bringing together the wisdom of spiritual masters to show you how you can also live a life free from mental suffering and full of inner peace. Throughout this course, I'm going to be introducing to you many different concepts about life, and each one of you is going to take home something different. Some of you will enjoy the new insights into the mind, while others will enjoy the practical steps, exercises, and meditations contained within each lesson. Every lesson also ends with questions for you to reflect on how to apply this wisdom in your own life. So get your notepad and pen ready and join me as I invite you to dive into a journey within yourself. No matter where you are in life right now, this is your chance to start living a life that's full of wisdom and inner peace.